Hey, it's Mike from JTS, and I'm going to go over how to safely unload your AK12 shotgun. So I've got a shotgun here, and I know I've got a magazine in here. We've got some snap caps. Chamber is loaded, and so we want to go over how to safely unload and clear this weapon. Now, anytime we're dealing with a weapon, before we pick it up and start manipulating it, we want to make sure we understand where that barrel is pointed. Where is that weapon pointed? We want to make sure it's in the safest direction we have. That could be up, that could be at the ground, that could be downrange. Whatever the safest direction we have, that is where that weapon is going to remain pointed. So as we pick it up and manipulate it, keep in mind we want that muzzle to stay in the same attitude, pointed in the same direction. Now, the AK-12 is a magazine-fed shotgun, so anytime we have a magazine-fed weapon and we want to clear it, the first thing we want to do is remove that magazine. And again, you'll notice I've got a snap cap shell in here. Now we've got a round in the chamber we've got to get out, and so what we want to do for that, again with our weapon pointed in the safe direction, finger nowhere near the trigger, we want to go ahead and pull that receiver back and make sure that that shell is out. Now once we've ejected that shell, I'm actually going to take this receiver and lock it back in place so I can very casually, very easily get a good look down into that chamber to make sure that chamber is clear. Now, once we've done that and we know that the weapon is cleared, we're going to follow the same process we would follow at any competition. Just best practice is to, if the weapon is clear, to hammer down and go ahead and drop that hammer and kill that trigger. So we're going to let that receiver go back forward with the weapon pointed in the safest direction we have, pull the trigger, and so we go ahead and kill that hammer. And then, because it is an AK-12 pattern shotgun, we can go ahead and flip that safety up one more time just to have that added layer of security.